What we have is now. And right now, we have each other.
It's been 14 years since Shonda Rhimes, yes, the Shonda Rhimes, gifted us with Britney Spears' big screen debut in Crossroads. But now, Shonda, who wrote the film, and some of the other minds behind the movie are spilling behind-the-scenes secrets in new interviews with Broadly.
It's pretty fantastic.
Here are our 3 favorite takeaways.
Okay, I have my own movie now.
1. Britney was far from a diva on set, but did have a few requests, like Lunchables and edamame at craft services, and she liked to be picked up early to go to Starbucks. So not much has changed. 2. Britney spent her downtime on set doodling in a notebook, which was filled with a lot of Britney and Justin's by the end of production.
I'm a proud boyfriend. It's very cool.
Director Tamra Davis said the couple had a beautiful romance at the time. And 3, Rhimes says working on Crossroads totally informed how she protects her TGIT casts from the dangers of fame today. Quote, I really did get to see what extreme fame was like close up and how to cope with it. Okay, great. Now give us a sequel.
I'm not a girl.